SNAPTITE 5-terminal connector, features and installation procedures offered by TT Parts Reloading. Sourcing 5960 Cadillac headlight switches, very difficult. They are limited, only 2 model years. And the source of good ones is very limited. 61, 62, 63 Cadillacs, however, are more plentiful. More of these switches available. But to put the 61, 62, and 63 Cadillac switch into the 59 and 60, we've developed a 5-terminal connector, which allows 61, 62, 63 Cadillac switches to be installed in the 59 and 60. SNAPTITE connector is designed to increase the clamping force on the female terminals, and we can demonstrate what happens with the OEM types. You have a situation where the terminals would burn close to the battery and headlights, switch terminals. So to remedy that situation, the SNAPTITE connector is designed with better clamping force on the terminals. The other condition would cause this burning of the connectors is a dirty switch inside, creating high resistance, and a few other things that would also cause this situation. So when you have this 59 or 60 Cadillac and you're sourcing a headlight switch, we offer solution here, 61, 62, 63 headlight switch. And to demonstrate how this installs, it's pretty tight. You have to use pretty much 2 fingers and work that in until it butts up into the switch body. And you have a good tight connection. To simplify the installation procedure, we've marked the wires with these wire markers. You have your gray dash. You have a 12 gauge battery wire, 14 gauge headlight wire, 14 gauge tail, 14 gauge park. So other than the battery wire, the other terminal wires are 14 gauge. And we supply the shrink connectors. This is basically for professional use only. We want to make sure that you guys get the right connection here. You have to have the right crimping tools. Make sure you have a good connection. And then you would shrink the connector wrap connectors down. So that situation where you have a 58, 59, and 60. Now the 58 models, we do offer a few other items to retrofit the 61, 62, and 63 headlight switch into the 58 model years. That'll be announced here shortly. So setting that aside, right now we can use a 61, 62, 63 Cadillac headlight switch in place of the 59 and 60 headlight switch.